In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use an eBay gift card. Whether you have a physical card or a digital one, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, ensuring a seamless and successful checkout experience for your next eBay purchase. First things first, head over to ebay.com. It's always a good idea to begin by browsing for the items you want to buy and adding them to your eBay cart. Take your time to explore the vast range of products available, and don't forget to check for any exciting deals or discounts that eBay might be offering. Once you've selected everything you wish to purchase and are satisfied with your shopping cart, it's time to move on to the next crucial step. Navigate to the checkout page, which is where the magic happens. As you land on the checkout page, you'll need to find the section dedicated to entering gift cards, vouchers, or coupons. It's typically labeled gift cards, vouchers, coupons, and is prominently displayed to make it easy to locate. Spotting this field is key because it's where you'll input your gift card information to redeem its value against your purchase. Now, whether you have a physical gift card or a digital one, you should have a 13-digit redemption code either on the back of the card or in an email. Go ahead and enter this code carefully into the appropriate field on the checkout page. Be meticulous as you input the numbers to avoid any potential errors that might disrupt your transaction. Once you've entered the code, simply click the Apply button. This action will prompt eBay to verify your gift card and deduct its balance from your total purchase amount. Keep an eye out for the updated total to confirm that the gift card has been successfully applied. If your eBay gift card covers the entire purchase price, congratulations, you're all set. Your order is complete and you can sit back and await your items. However, if the balance on your gift card doesn't quite cover the full cost, don't worry. You can easily pay the remaining amount using PayPal, a debit or credit card, or any other accepted payment methods that eBay offers. Simply choose your preferred payment option to finalize the transaction. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to use an eBay gift card for your purchases. Using a gift card is a straightforward way to shop on eBay while taking advantage of your prepaid balance. It's a fantastic way to manage your online shopping budget as well. Remember, the key is to carefully enter your gift card information and double check your total before completing your purchase. Happy shopping, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.